If you need to request a refund from Robinhood for a payment that has gone through, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Robinhood account using the mobile app or website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to the Help section. Once logged in, go to the Help section. This can usually be found in account settings or menu. Look for options related to payments or refunds. Step 3. Select the appropriate topic. In the Help section, find the topic that pertains to refunds or transaction issues. This will guide you to the relevant information and options available for requesting a refund. Step 4. Submit a request. Follow the prompts to submit a refund request. You may need to provide details about the transaction, including the amount and date. Be clear and concise in your explanation. Step 5. Monitor your email. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Robinhood. They may reach out for additional information or to inform you about the status of your refund. By following these steps, you can successfully navigate the refund process with Robinhood. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support for assistance.